Have you ever imagined your music creating its own story? Not just a simple visualizer or background animation, but a real cinematic music video that moves perfectly in sync with every beat and every lyric? Well, that world has finally arrived. Hey guys, welcome back to AI Border, where we explore the smartest and most creative AI tools on the planet. And today we're about to review something truly revolutionary, SJinn Agent, the world's first artificial intelligence that can turn any song into a story-driven video, perfectly synchronized with both the lyrics and rhythm of the music. Let's see how it works, because honestly, this is the next level of creative AI. SJinn is an AI-powered image and video creation platform, but it's not just a regular image generator. It's a complete agent system, one that combines image generation, video, audio, and even 3D modeling all in one place. When you open the main dashboard, you see two primary modes, agent mode and tool mode. The agent mode is where the magic happens. It's like talking to your own creative assistant. You just describe what you want, choose a template, and SJinn Agent takes care of the rest. From scene design to camera movement, lighting, and continuity between shots. Now this is where things get exciting. Among all the templates in SJinn, I can say none from character world travel to motivational short video, one immediately grabs your attention, music story video. This isn't just another text to video feature, it's a complete system that listens to your music, understands the lyrics, and builds scenes that move in harmony with the rhythm, emotion, and narrative of the song. You can upload your own track, or if you don't have one, let the AI create a piece of music based on your description. For example, write something. Create a music video about a cowboy who is singing about trading and cryptocurrency. And SJinn will actually generate a complete multi-scene video, perfectly matching that emotional tone. Once you select the template, the workspace is clean and simple. At the top it says, using template, music story video, and below you just need to enter your description. Here you can control two main settings. 1. Quality mode. Choose between high quality for cinematic results or low cost for faster and more affordable generations. 2. Execution mode. If you want the AI to handle everything automatically, select auto. If you prefer to review each step, choose step. When you hit generate, the AI starts breaking down the song into parts, usually between 30 to 40 shots for a 3-minute track. Each scene aligns with the rhythm, emotion, and lyrics. For instance, if the lyrics talk about making profit, you will see a scene where we are literally watching the profit being made. This shows just how intelligent the system is. It's actually interpreting the song visually. SJinn Agent doesn't work alone. It's connected to an entire ecosystem of powerful AI models, like NanoBanana, Seedream, VO3, Kling 2.5, and Sora 2, all within a single platform. That means you can use NanoBanana to create photorealistic scenes, then bring them to life with Kling or Sora, without ever leaving SJinn. What's the result? A music video that feels like it was directed by a human filmmaker, with emotional transitions, smooth camera movements, and consistent visual rhythm, all automatically generated by AI. What makes this template truly special is its precision and synchronization. Most AI tools can create beautiful images, but they can't sync them with lyrics or beats. However, the music story template in SJinn uses an advanced temporal synchronization system. It analyzes both the waveform of the sound and the meaning of each line in the lyrics, something that, until now, only human editors could achieve. Now let's take a look at how this actually looks in action.
I bought a dream with pocket change, a dollar bill for a window pane. The market whispers, sweet but sly. I blink once and watch it fly. Risk and reward, a gambler's code. You can't win big on the safe old road. Stack the chips.
The real results generated inside SJinn. In the demo shown on SJinn's website, A simple uploaded song transforms into a complete 3-minute video. Every lyric, every beat. When the song talks about gambling, the visuals also show gambling. And whenever the mood of the song changes, the visuals change along with it. Transitions are smooth, emotions are continuous. And the whole video looks as if it was directed by a human filmmaker. But it wasn't. It was created by SJinn. This isn't just another new trend. It's a complete redefinition of creative production. Imagine musicians, YouTubers, or filmmakers being able to turn their songs into full cinematic stories in just a few hours instead of weeks. Independent artists can produce their own professional music videos. Podcasters can visualize their scripts. Even teachers can turn their lessons into narrative videos synced with their voice. This is where AI goes beyond being just a tool. It becomes your co-director. So, to sum it up, the music story video template in SJinn Agent is the first real step toward AI-directed music videos. It combines lyric understanding, beat analysis, scene creation, and multimodal rendering, all in one platform. If you want to try it yourself, just visit jinn.ai, sign in, and select the music story video template. Upload your song, or simply describe it, and watch how your music comes to life visually. This is creativity powered by intelligence, and we're only at the beginning. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, in every AI border video, 2 random commenters win a free premium account for the featured tool. So drop a comment. Even an emoji is enough. Maybe your name will be the next winner. Until the next video, take care. And remember, always keep exploring the borders of creativity with AI.